Jetted started out with a vision from our two co-founders, and they had an entrepreneurial dream that they wanted to remove the barriers to entry for private aviation, because we wanted to make sure that we could actually remove these barriers and bring more owners into private aviation.
Jetted sells and operates private fractional aircraft. What that means is you can buy a portion of an aircraft as an asset, and then you get a certain number of days per year that you can operate or fly on that asset.
When I started out, I was employee 4 with 1 jet, and now I'm proud to say we have 180 employees and about 25 jets. Every decision we make in the company has to do with aviation is made by an aviator. So we actually have executives that are not only executives, but also pilots. And part of the 180 employees is 30% veterans.
I love my job. It's something different every day. When I first came to Jetted, there were a number of disconnects between our systems and our employees at different locations.
All of the technical data and maintenance manuals that we need to do our job properly are located on manufacturer portals online.
Many times these maintenance manuals have revisions to them, and it's critical always to access the most recently revised or current revision of the manual.
We used to have a really poor internet connection, and it made routine tasks like accessing the maintenance manual or doing a database update on the aircraft tediously long, painstaking. Oftentimes the connection would drop out and we would just have to start all over.
We could barely even check our email here at the hangar, but honestly it was more efficient to use our phones.
At Jetted, we always make sure that we give the proper technology tools to our staff and to our flight crew to ensure they're successful.
We had priced another provider, and they were going to charge us a very cost-prohibitive amount to run a cable underneath the local road here to provide us with internet access. After working with Verizon and talking with them about business internet, we were able to have that service set up in less than 2 weeks and at no cost to us. It was a very easy installation process. Verizon just made it where all we really had to do was decide on the solution, and they installed everything and did everything for us.
Prior to having Verizon 5G business internet, a simple task like a database update to download those databases could take anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. With the Verizon 5G business internet, we can average our time of 5 to 10 minutes for doing that. That extra time saved in doing the database download is returned to the aircraft, to the customer, by returning it to service faster.
Our team frequently has to go out to support the aircraft when something occurs or a maintenance needs to be done remotely.
The challenges of accessing these manuals when working remote are not always having reliable connections. I had to rely on free internet access points to download databases, to access maintenance manuals, and to even connect with my teammates, check email, do all of those things. So now, with a hotspot, I'm able to stay at the aircraft and perform all of my maintenance, stay connected to my team members, stay connected to the maintenance manuals and the portals that I need to access, and get the job done faster and safer.
The less they have to think about the technical aspects of their job, the more time they can spend focused on returning the aircraft to service. And that means ultimately less downtime for our fleet, which turns into dollars at the end of the day.
Between the 5G business internet and the mobile hotspot, we're connected whether we're at the hangar, whether I'm at home, or whether we're on the road.
What Verizon 5G business internet has allowed us to do is to maintain a reliable, fast connection.
Less time that I have to spend waiting on slow internet is more time that I get to spend at home with my family.